Rub down, unraveling its meaning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into the phrase, rub down. If you've ever heard or read this phrase and found yourself scratching your head, you're in the right place. Let's break down its meaning and usage for you. When you think of the words rub and down, you might imagine the action of pressing or moving your hand over a surface. And you're right. Literally, to rub down means to massage or smooth something with your hands. This can apply to various contexts. 1. Giving a person a massage. After the marathon, she had a rub down to soothe her tired muscles. 2. Smoothing a surface. He gave the wooden table a rub down with sandpaper. Like many English phrases, rub down can also be used in a more figurative manner. Though less common, it can imply going over something in detail. For instance, 1. Reviewing a project. Let's give this proposal a rub down before presenting it. 2. Discussing an event. We had a quick rub down of what happened at the meeting. As you incorporate rub down into your vocabulary, be wary of some common mistakes. One frequent error is using rub on its own when rub down is intended. For example, correct. She gave her horse a rub down. Incorrect. She gave her horse a rub. Remember, while rub can be a verb on its own, the phrase rub down gives a specific, often more detailed, meaning. And that's rub down for you. English is filled with such intriguing phrases that can add flair to your communication. We hope this video shed light on the meaning and usage of rub down. Stay curious and keep learning. Until next time.